Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
Hey MSquad, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be transforming my hair. As you can see right now, my hair is looking crusty, but by the end of the video, as you can see in these clips, my hair is going to be looking nice and juicy and nice and hydrated. And it's all thanks to my friends from CurlMix. Thank you so much to CurlMix for sponsoring this video. I am super excited to show you all how I transformed my hair in 4 steps using their wash day system. So first I am going to clarify my hair with their clarifying shampoo. And what I like about this shampoo is that it cleanses my hair and it removes a buildup that has been sitting in my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out the shampoo. Pretty good. So next we're going to go in and condition with the hydrating conditioner. And I like to condition my hair in 4 sections. So first I wet my hair, and then after that I like to add the conditioner and detangle from the ends of my hair all the way to the roots up. What I really like about this conditioner is that there is some bomb slip. You can see from my face that I am gassed about the slip that this conditioner has, but literally it helped the brush glide through my hair. Next, it is time to style my hair. So I let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 3 minutes, and then after I decided to rinse it out just to make sure that the conditioner actually seeped into my hair since my hair is low porosity. So this is what my hair is looking like without the conditioner. So next I am going to moisturize my hair with the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. I really like this moisturizer. It has some bomb slip as well, just like the conditioner, and it left my hair feeling super soft, which I really liked. I was looking at my hair like, yes, boo. I decided to split my hair in half just to make sure that when I add the pure flaxseed gel, it actually just penetrated and defined my curls. And as y'all can see right here, I am honestly super shocked because my curls were beginning to clump together and they were beginning to pop instantly. So as you can see, I am super excited about that. And I definitely think that you should check out this gel because this gel is everything and more in a bottle. It's defined my kinks and curls super nice. And these are my wet results after styling my whole entire head with the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel. So now what I'm going to do is blow dry my hair. So what I am doing is using the CurlMix's blow down method. So this is when you use a blow dryer to dry your hair, and you dry your hair on cool setting and low heat. So I am using this method just to ensure that I get the perfect amount of definition and just so I can enjoy the overall wash and go. So I am just using the blow dryer and literally blowing down on my hair. This took about 45 minutes. I think it was like 45 minutes to an hour to do, but the results are honestly worth it. As you can see, I honestly loved my hair so much. Thank you so much to CurlMix for sponsoring today's video. I honestly love how my hair turned out. And if you love how my hair turned out as well, MSquad, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Bye.